Dogecoin value equivalent to 1.5100 rands a coin. The present cost range, 1.4791. 1.5113. The earlier day close, 1.4718. The change was plus 0.0382. Plus 2.60%. Opposite rates, ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, February 27. Cost 1.48 rands. High 1.58. Low 1.38. Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, February 28. Cost 1.42 rands. High 1.52. Low 1.32. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, Walk 1. Cost 1.40 rands. High 1.50. Low 1.30. Dogecoin estimate on Thursday, Walk 2. Cost 1.41 rands. High 1.51. Low 1.31. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, Walk 3. Cost 1.37 rands. High 1.47. Low 1.27. In multi-week Dogecoin estimate on Monday, Walk 6. Cost 1.39 rands. High 1.49. Low 1.29. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, Walk 7. Cost 1.37 rands. High 1.47. Low 1.27. Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, Walk 8. Cost 1.40 rands. High 1.50. Low 1.30. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, Walk 9. Cost 1.43 rands. High 1.53. Low 1.33. Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, Walk 10. Cost 1.37 rands. High 1.47. Low 1.27. In about 14 days Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, Walk 13. Cost 1.48 rands. High 1.58. Low 1.38. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, Walk 14. Cost 1.50 rands. High 1.61. Low 1.40. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, Walk 15. Cost 1.51 rands. High 1.62. Low 1.40. Dogecoin conjecture on Thursday, Walk 16. Cost 1.51 rands. High 1.62. Low 1.40. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, Walk 17. Cost 1.54 rands. High 1.65. Low 1.43. In 3 weeks Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, Walk 20. Cost 1.58 rands. High 1.69. Low 1.47. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, Walk 21. Cost 1.42 rands. High 1.52. Low 1.32. Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, Walk 22. Cost 1.38 rands. High 1.48. Low 1.28. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, Walk 23. Cost 1.43 rands. High 1.53. Low 1.33. Dogecoin gauge on Friday, Walk 24. Cost 1.37 rands. High 1.47. Low 1.27. In about a month Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, Walk 27. Cost 1.34 rands. High 1.43. Low 1.25. Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, Walk 28. Cost 1.36 rands. High 1.46. Low 1.26. Dogecoin value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2023. To start with cost at 1.64 rands, exorbitant cost 1.78, while low cost 1.32. Found the middle value of cost 1.54. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.42. Change for February 13.4%. Dogecoin gauge for Walk 2023. To start with cost at 1.42 rands, exorbitant cost 1.69, while low cost 1.25. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.43. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.36, change for spring 4.2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2023. Before all else cost at 1.36 rands, excessive cost 1.69, while low cost 1.36. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.50. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.58. Change for April 16.2%. Dogecoin figure for May 2023. Initially cost at 1.58 rands, excessive cost 1.58, while low cost 1.24. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.43. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.33, change for May 15.8%. Dogecoin cost expectation for June 2023. Initially cost at 1.33 rands, excessive cost 1.33. While low cost 1.04, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.21. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.12, change for June 15.8%. Dogecoin figure for July 2023. Initially cost at 1.12 rands, excessive cost 1.39. While low cost 1.12, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.23. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.30, change for July 16.1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2023. At the outset cost at 1.30 rands, excessive cost 1.49, while low cost 1.29. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.37. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.39, change for August 6.9%. Dogecoin conjecture for September 2023. At the outset cost at 1.39 rands, excessive cost 1.39, while low cost 1.20. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.32. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.29. Change for September 7.2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for October 2023. At the outset cost at 1.29 rands, excessive cost 1.44, while low cost 1.26. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.34. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.35, change for October 4.7%. Dogecoin conjecture for November 2023. At the outset cost at 1.35 rands, excessive cost 1.35, while low cost 1.05. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.22. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.13, change for November 16.3%. Dogecoin cost expectation for December 2023. Before all else cost at 1.13 rands, excessive cost 1.13, while low cost 0.88. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.02. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 0.95, change for December 15.9%. Dogecoin figure for January 2024. Before all else cost at 0.95 rands, excessive cost 1.02, while low cost 0.88. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.95. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 0.95, change for January 0.0%. Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2024. Before all else cost at 0.95 rands, excessive cost 1.00, while low cost 0.86. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.94. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's